everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious Palak Paneer Paratha. I have a finely chopped palak, spinach, and this is a paneer. I grated the paneer, 1 onion finely chopped, and green chili, and the spices from masala dabba. For paratha, olive oil. First we're going to get a mixing bowl. First we're going to bring spinach, paneer. I just grated it to separate them out. Add onion and green chili. We're going to mix these together. So once this one is combined, then we're going to add spices. So keep mixing. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add spices. I use the Himalayan pink salt. You always can use table salt. 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Half teaspoon garam masala. So now we're going to mix them well. Once all the spices are nicely incorporated, this is going to be our filling. Let's start making our delicious Palak Paneer Paratha. The stage is set. We're going to make our Palak Paneer Paratha. I have my griddles ready. I'm going to turn the gas on. I have my second griddle ready. Once paratha is ready, then I'm going to transfer over there. We're going to make paratha more crispier and crunchier. So the back burner, I'm going to keep the gas on medium low. And this one, we are keeping it on medium. Then I have my dough ready, as you see here. First thing, you put your finger inside your dry flour and then get a good amount of dough, which is going to be peda. So we're going to roll out the peda. Dust off your lazy Susan and we're going to roll out. So we're going to roll out. Roll out as maximum as you can. So I'm going to get a good amount of filling. And we're going to roll this. We're going to make sure we cover it. Once it's nicely covered, then we're going to flatten it. Add dry flour and keep pressing it. Get your rolling pin and we're going to roll out. So once it's rolled out, just like this. One tip I want to share with you, the green chili, keep it like this. Then they look good inside. While we're doing that, we're going to prepare another peda. And the color has been changed. Use something, a spatula, then bring it. You're like this. Look at what a beautiful color we're getting. We're going to put on top of it and just spread it. We're going to let it cook on the other side. And the time is cooking, we're going to get ready for the second one. Good amount of filling. And now we're going to turn this one over. Once we're going to turn it over, just flip it like nicely. And keep the gas on medium. If you put the gas on high, it will cook faster, but it will burn on the top, but it will be undercooked inside. So it's a good idea to do it this way. The back burner is on a low gas. And now we have this one ready, and we're going to make sure that we seal it. See, once it's sealed, then turn it over, then just press it. Make sure you take out the air and dust off this side and dust off this side. And keep pressing it. And now we're going to turn this one on other side. This is tasty paratha. It looks so beautiful. I'm almost also done on the second one. So we're going to move the first paratha on the back burner. This paratha is ready. Very nicely done. So this one we're going to put it on a back burner to get more crispier and crunchier. And this one is ready. I'm going to keep making it the same way and let me share with you. Very simple and very tasty Palak Paneer Paratha is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it, and serve with butter, homemade dahi. How do I make dahi? I have a poster video on my channel. Then homemade lassi. I have a poster video for lassi also. It's a buttermilk. This is very tasty. You've seen it. It's how easy and simple to make. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.